In this lesson, we'll create a commonly used interactive button. First, select the button and add a mouse enter interaction. Choose the Apply Style action and set the fill color to sky blue. Then, add a mouse exit interaction. Select Apply Style and set the button color back to its original color. Add a mouse button down interaction and change the button color to light blue. Add a mouse button up interaction and set the button color back to its original color. In addition to these interactions, we'll add a focus style effect in the style effects settings. Change the border color to orange and set the border width to 4. Preview the prototype. When the mouse hovers over the button, it changes to sky blue. When the mouse leaves, the button returns to its original color. When the mouse button is pressed down, the button changes to light blue, and when released, it returns to its original color. When pressing the Shift key, the button focuses, and you'll notice a change in the button's border